Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on Food Chain TV. I'm really excited today because I have a recipe that's really cool and super easy, and I bet you've never taken a simple orange, thrown it in a blender, and turned it into the most delicious cake you've ever had. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you just that, so you don't want to miss this. And make sure that you make it all the way to the end of this video, where I'll be posting all of the measurements and ingredients used in the recipe. All right, guys, let's get blending. All right, so we start out with our whole orange, which we're gonna quarter. That goes into the blender, followed by our eggs. Here's some vegetable oil. Here is some pancake syrup, a little splash of lime juice, a little pinch of salt. Don't forget that baking powder, white sugar. Here we have our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And now we're going to run the blender, and we're going to go until it's a nice smooth mixture with no lumps. Now you can take a non-stick loaf pan and spray it with some non-stick spray. And now we're going to pour in our orange cake batter. This is going to go in the oven at 350 degrees. Now I'm going to tell you to put it in there for 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes because in my oven it actually took an hour and 15 minutes to cook at 350. So the test to know whether it's done or not is you take a skewer and you stick it into the cake, and if the skewer comes out clean, then that means the cake is cooked all the way through, just like this. Alright, so we remove it from the pan, and now we start cutting it, and look at that nice delicious cake. It has just the right amount of moisture and texture, and now we're going to plate this. So here I have some raspberry sauce, and I'm going to put a little slice of that orange cake on there. Let's get a little bit of whipped cream on there, and then I'm going to finish it off with a nice strawberry that I fanned. So we'll put that down there, a nice organic Florida strawberry. And there we go. We have a beautiful orange cake ready for dessert, nice and warm. Now we got to try it. All right, I have my taste tester here, Charles, and he's going to tell us how good this cake is.
It tastes really good. I can't really tell what the taste is, but it tastes really good. It tastes sweet. Tastes like cake. It tastes like one of the best cakes I had, actually.
There you have it, folks. One of the best cakes he's ever had. And just as I promised in the beginning of the video, here's a list of all the ingredients. As always, thank you guys very much for tuning into my channel and watching my videos. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe and you hit that bell notification so that every time I make a new video, you are notified. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you on the next video.